Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a poll in WhatsApp. So let's begin. First, open WhatsApp, then navigate to the chat or group where you want to create the poll. Then tap on attachments icon and you will see poll option available just right here. Click on it. Now you can add your poll choices. So once you tap the poll option, it will take you to this page where you can simply type in your question in the question box at the top. Then below that, you will see option boxes where you can add your poll choices. So type in each option one by one and you can add up to 12 options. After typing in each option, you'll have to simply click on this send icon. Also by default, WhatsApp allows people to select multiple answers. If you want it to be a single choice poll only, toggle off the allow multiple answers switch at the bottom. If you want it, simply toggle it on. Now, click the send icon and the poll gets posted in the chat. It could be a group chat or an individual. Now, everyone in the chat can now tap on their preferred options to vote. And the results show up in real time right below the poll so everyone can see how the votes are coming in. And if you want to see the detailed breakdown of who voted for what, just tap on view votes option at the bottom and you will see each option with names of everyone who selected it. So that's how you create a poll in WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.